We are destroying Bad D16s. First one in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. See how it shoved several times? See how the nozzle looks like.
That's a nozzle? Oh, be careful, it might
Ew.
be hot.
Look how eroded the nozzle is.
Make sure there's no fire on. 4,
3, 2,
1.
Yeah, that one hardly had any.
Wait, don't go yet. It's gonna go poop. It went in the tree. I told you it would.
It's fine. Come look at the bad nozzle on that one.
2, 1. Ew.
Yeah.
It did a yellow smoke. Stand back. Remember how it went up high? Oh, that didn't go very far. Phew, look at all the smoke.
Yeah, these motors would not have been good if I tried using them.
You know another thing you could do,
Yep,
Doug.
major erosion in the nozzle. See that?
Over. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Why does it do that funny color? Look at it. Pop. Oh no, it's on fire. That was... Oh, it did catch the grass on fire. You got better shoes. Step on it. Right there. Right there.
I don't see any fire.
I saw smoke. Do I see it?
That's just injection smoke.
Uh,
Yep, some erosion. These nozzles are definitely eroding. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Ew.
That one's more than.
That was like, pop. Watch out.
All right.
That's
I think we got one more in this batch. And I think I have 2 more in my office.
Are you getting them?
No. We'll do those later. Yep. A major erosion. Although the ones that were swelling had a lot more erosion. These are awful good igniters, though.
Yeah, you're wasting them.
Well, this is how you properly dispose of them. Hook her up. Hook her up.
Nope, it's not on. Oops. Okay, there's one. Yeah, you did that.
Okay.
And
all right. Last one that we're doing now.
It hit the tree. Gonna stop it.